It's a good idea to clean your battery terminals at least once a year. So what I've done already is I've taken them off. Small wire brush, whatever you want to use. I use a small wire brush. You get these at AutoZone and whatnot. Amazon, AutoZone, whatever. And I clean the terminals. All right, I clean the ends where they make contact. I also take the small spacer that goes in between here and I clean both sides of that spacer. Now the terminals are also going to be cleaned with the wire brush. I'm going to wire brush the terminal ends. So once they're good and clean, you put it all back together. Make sure it's nice and tight. Put the positive on first, so you don't cause any sparks. And the negative is the last one to go on. So you're all probably wondering, why even do this? Why maintain your battery terminals or clean them once a year? Well, if these battery terminals are clean, it's much easier for the current to go from the battery terminal to the wire. If they're dirty, there's going to be some resistance. All right, if you have a bad contact here, it's going to be resistance, and it's going to take more amperage to get that current to flow. Same thing with the charging system. If that charging system has to fight this a little bit, it's going to take a lot more for the charging system to charge its battery back up. By keeping these terminals clean, you'll ensure that your battery lasts longer and your charging system also keeps on working and you get better starts. That's basically it. All right, everybody, I hope this video was helpful in some way. As usual, leave comments, like, share the videos. You all take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.